Hello and welcome to the latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. It's been a fine end to the working week for many of us, and we keep high pressure to the south of the UK through the weekend. But for Scotland, well, an area of low pressure will approach on Friday evening, bringing a warm front, a relatively weak affair. However, it will thicken up the cloud overnight, and by late evening, some outbreaks of more persistent rain arrive into the west, spreading east, and the wettest weather will be during the early hours, so some heavier bursts for a time, again mostly in the west. The rain tends to ease as it pushes east, and so showery outbreaks for the north east and east of Scotland. And with the cloud and the breeze picking up overnight, gradually it will turn a little milder. Certainly it's not going to be as cold on Saturday morning as Friday morning, but it's not going to be particularly mild first thing because we've still got relatively cool air in place, and we've still got some clear spells in places first thing. Certainly a bright start for the northeast, and actually across parts of Caithness, Moray, and parts of Aberdeenshire, maybe Fife and Edinburgh. It's going to be mostly dry through Saturday, and there'll be some brightness coming through as well. But further west, certainly a cloudier day compared with Friday. That cloud giving some drizzle, mostly over western hills, with some more persistent rain arriving into the west coast by the end of the afternoon. Now, it's going to be breezy with the risk of gales during the first part of the day in the Outer Hebrides. That breeze, though, is a different direction compared with the winds of the second half of the week, and as a result, it's a mild breeze. It's coming from the southwest, and that means temperatures will be very much different compared with Friday's highs. We're talking about 18 or 19 Celsius around the northeast corner and perhaps Edinburgh, East Lothian borders. And so much softer feel compared with Friday, even where we've got the thicker cloud and rain further west, although with the breeze and the rain, it's not going to feel particularly pleasant. Some breaks in the cloud in the east as we end Saturday, but we do have a weather front crossing the country overnight, and so increasingly damp weather, mostly during the hours of darkness, and it does tend to dry up a little by the end of the night with some clear spells coming along. And on Sunday, we see the back of that front as it pushes into Cumbria, perhaps just bringing some rain to Dumfries for a time during the morning, early afternoon. But otherwise, brighter skies follow, a cluster of heavy showers moving through around the middle part of the day and gusty winds. But away from the showers, there will be some sunny spells about, and it will feel a little fresher, but not as cold as Thursday and Friday. Then into next week, a marked change once again as higher pressure builds, leading to plenty of sunny and warmer weather for the whole of Scotland.